So, Mabuhay Maria, good afternoon, sir.
So today,
Yeah,
magpangutan na sa possible
questions.
question.
30 questions.
Yes.
So, the first one is, what are the characteristics of an event?
Ako na. So, the characteristics of an event is that event is a once in a lifetime experience. So, if you are an organizer, you really need to give your best shot. And it is where people gather together, and it requires a lot of efforts.
Yes, as what Ivy said, the characteristic of an event is once in a lifetime experience. Kay dili like pareha ng kasal, di ba? Once in a lifetime experience siya kung dili magipag-divorce and magkasal na pud balik. Tapos gi-give jud may mong mga like the best is best nimo para ma-came up ang katong idea sa imong client, and then unique pud siya, and then yeah kanang it brings people together. So the second question is, how do you manage contractor communication mechanism and why?
So, contractor communication mechanism is a type of communication that needs a tools, especially in events. They use walkie-talkie to communicate with each other to disseminate the information and to avoid difficult situation.
Yeah. Siguro yung kasunod. Binayan ako. Like, parang nang giingon ni Ivy ka ng walkie-talkie para mag-communicate siya. Like, kung sa imo hang istorya sa isa ka tao, mag-pick up sa uban. Kay same line, di ba, ng mga walkie-talkie. So, madunggan nila. And then, mag-disseminate sa mga information na kailangan. Para walay mabilin ko ng mga tao nga dili makaingon niya ka ng, ay, wala may nakadungban ato nga information nga na. So third is, what are the categories of events?
So, categories of events is it includes family events, festival, entertainment, sports, and promotional and business, and also fundraising events.
Business events. So, mga natatanan ng gingo ni Ivy. Mga categories sa events. Naman nadatanan ng ano, like concert, di ba? Labot na nadira birthdays, mga kasal, mga so kanang sa ito mga anniversary sa mga stores. Yeah, that's all. And then fourth question is, what are the classification of events? Mega, major, minor, and then hallmark events. And then the fifth na. Fifth question is, what are the tasks of an event manager?
They are the one who will make the information gathering, concert development, planning, coordinating, and lastly is the evaluating.
Evaluating.
That's their main role as a
Yeah,
manager.
that's all. Nagaano po sila og kanang mga tao, di ba? Nagakuha sila ng mga tao. Person of interest. And then sixth question is, how will you handle stressed out individuals in your team?
Of course, if you have a stressed out individuals in your team, especially if you are in the actual event and you have that kind of situation, you really need to pull out that specific team to avoid kanang kanang maka-affect sa inyong work. And especially nimo siya i-observe tapos i-evaluate mo siya, and if you think that he is able na to work, ibalik na nimo siya sa iyang work.
Yes. I specifically kanang sa mga frontline ng mga imong workers kay kanang di mo sila maka-focus kung dili sila okay pa. So i-pull out sa nimo siya from the front line, and then kung okay na sila, question nimo siya, and then pabalikon nimo siya og trabaho para dili pud mag ano-ano iya mautok ba kanang maglisod gud og una-una noon, and then ma-stress out. So no. And then do you allow your team to move on site furniture around at any time to any place?
For me, it's a no because it will requires lifting, carrying, and bending. So, in that specific job is the job of event contractors or staff. We are not involved in that certain job.
Yes, tama ang siingon ni Ivy. Kailangan jud nimo siya pagbawalan kay dili man nila trabaho na kanang kato sa event sige to sa event sa contractor staff na siya or sa venue ng mga staff na naka-assign sila. And then, what are the factors should be considered in developing the concept?
Of course, the format, the purpose of your event, the theme,
Venue,
the flow, the venue, the budget,
participants,
participants, all the needs of your event.
and then timing po sa mga events, and then kanang people behind the event execution.
Yeah.
Kurante na sila tanan. And then, what event has more risk, indoor or outdoor? How do you minimize this?
Outdoor is more risk, but whether it's outdoor or indoor, you need to secure the safety of your guests and the safety of all the people that na dito sa events.
Yes, indoor and outdoor is pareha sila risk. So, kailangan nimo siya og risk management and then safety and security pod para sa imong mga guests. So, both siya para sa kuha. And then para sa mga din. Sunod kay, how do you handle situations that require special barangay clearances?
So in that situation, you need to go to the nearest barangay to get the barangay certificate and get things that needs to prior to the events.
Yes, correct ang giingon ni Ivy. Di dapat ka magkara-kara kung comes up pa ang event, dira pa ka magog mga barangay clearances. And then, applicable kayo ang mga dugol na nearest barangay kay para dili ka masayangan sa oras nimo. Then, i-settle nimo siya prior to the event, before ang event. And then, how to design an event concept?
Of course, first guy, you need to come up with a theme and consider the layout and do not over design the stage good kay it will make kanang mapangit na siya if ma-over design.
Yes. Tapos ano pod kanang style na importante pod kayo na kanang ang mga supplier kay naa nakadaan. Just di lang dapat isa ka supplier kundi dapat daghan siya kay para puntahay kung dili maka-provide ang isa ka supplier so naa pa kay mga other contacts. And then, what is the correct way to display the Philippine flag vertically on stage backdrop? Red to the right.
On the right.
Yes. Kailan kay sa pikas na, nabalik na.
Na-war na.
Kung ang blue bod ang on the right, na war tani. Kaya sa taas na ang right. Okay? And then, actually, what does protocol entail?
What does protocol entail? Protocol entail is the correct use of the anthem like sa flag god o sa mga sa mga sundalo kanang mag-salute sila, and sa event ma-apply na siya sa pagkanang mag-introduce good sa mga host, sa mga VIPs o sa uban pa nga mga suppliers kanang sa main job na siya sa host na kailangan tama ang iyang pag-recognize sa mga specific na tao nga.
Usually po no, kanang pag mag-open o mga ceremony, kailangan dyan ba na mag-usang national anthem, unang proper pagbutang sa flag, di ba naman na. Usually kanang, kanang, paski magaling ka ng mga religious na mga event kayo, lagi po sila na pag-opening. And then, what are the most important considerations when reading an event brief? Why, who, when, where, and how. So, mauna sila. And then, what to consider for an event concept? Site access,
physical limitation, the parking area access, the registration area.
Niya ang flow sa event. Nabaw na ang kanang tawag na site sa events kay kung outdoor so kailangan bigger jud siya. Tapos subali po kayong na-mention ko ganina kato mga CR good, mga comfort room, parking area, kailangan po na siya i-consider. And then, how to identify if the event is feasible or not.
This, the goodness of the idea, the skills to run the events, and you need to come up with a risk management if you are going to plan an event.
Yes. Mga tuwang gingan niya yun. Super bit. And then, what is what?
Strength,
Weakness,
weakness,
opportunity
opportunities,
and
threats.
threats. Mga nas ang meaning sa SWOT.
Yeah.
SWOT. And then, how would you classify the objectives for organizing an event? Educational, social, commercials, o
Financial.
financials. So, mga na sila. And then,
Criteria.
what criteria are normally used when identifying and selecting suppliers? So, experience,
Staffing,
staffing,
consistency, equipment,
reliability, accessibility
Yes.
sa inyong supplier. And then, competitiveness nila.
technological
Capability and life. So, importante kayo na sila. And then, in choosing the venue, what are the important aspects that need to be checked?
Of
So,
course, the parking area, the exit, the stairways, the restroom,
yes.
the registration area.
The sanitation.
Yes. The facilities itself.
Yes. And then, oh, ito yung mention ng mga restroom. Importante kayo na siya kayo. Asan po yung mga ano?
Doon ang exit po kay si may tabo kay dapat na yan.
Dapat ano din na siya, no? Kanang importante kayo na sila entrance and exit kay para di magkagubot ang tao.
Yes.
Dili sila mga gibog ba kung asa mo agi, kung asa mo exit. Organized dapat din siya. And then, what are the major considerations for events held day and night? During daytime is local traffic.
Ang nighttime kay ang baka power sources kay
Generator.
nga mag-brown out.
Yes, usually pag gabi eh. Although lang po sa day, pero usually dun kay night siya. So, dapat na kay backup ang mga like generator, backup source. Then, local traffic conditions dun kay pag daytime. Isag kay labaw rush hour. And then, what are the major considerations for events? Ayaw mo na. Wala pa rin eh. What are the major considerations for events held outdoors and indoors? Sa outdoors kay
Ang weather, ang parking, ang crowd access and movement, and the sanitation. Kung sa indoor siya kay ang brown out, ang parking valet,
services, and then ang ano po, entrance or exit.
Yes.
Important. So, where do creative abilities show in the event concept or stage setup? Both.
Creative. Both.
Sa both event concept o
Event
stage
setup.
and venue setup. Kaya ma-show ba mo mga ano niya? Kami dahil siya.
Kami ideya.
So, mga na to. And then, how do you overcome management issues such as budget overruns?
Dapat in planning an event, you really need to check your budget and make sure that you will imong gastuson na meaningfully, not imong ni sir kailangan meaningfully jud.
Yes.
Dapat na bili ang imong gipang palit or imong gipang gamit anang kwarta.
Para dili siya masayang. Diba ka lang dili ang mga disposable na mga materials. Kailangan jud bahalag ka ng may pricey siya, at least magdugay po siya sa imo.
Ano ta?
Sa ano na ta?
Or the
Kani?
venue. Gina.
Okay, di ba? So, what are the considerations in selecting a venue?
The purpose of the event title,
Event flow, number of the attendees.
background of the attendees, and the facilities.
Yeah, image required for the team po. O facility services to be provided. So, importante kayo na sila tanan. And then what is the major factor in determining
Determining
the type of events?
the market segment.
And is the major factor.
Mm.
Then, where do you store information on potential venues and sites locally or electronically? Local
Sourced through the local visitors bu- bureau and bureau chamber of commerce and industries of
for the internet.
internet.
So, muna siya. And then, what are the steps in targeting the market audience?
Identify the features of the event, know your target audience, if paano na siya, if concert na siya niya, ang ano kay si TJ, of course, mga youth, jud ang ano, ang kusubanan niya.
Yes. Hindi mo, tigulang, lain tayo. Okay, wala mo ano sa mga gabay lang. Ay, so na, although naman siya iba na ka ng tiguang na nagkapaminaw, pero gamay ra.
Oo. Mas ano jud ang mga youth.
Yun. And then, kung usap po, like, kung mga birthdays po, doon niya, imong, mag-birthday kay, kanang tiguang, unya, mga
Pang bata imong ano.
concept, diba? Dili siya. So, what is the impact of events on local economies?
Of course, dako jud siya kay when you're conducting an event, it has a multiplier effect. So kung magkuha ka na nga supplier, ang kana ang specific na supplier is napo na siya mga employees. So kana siya is makatabang po siya kanang multiplier effect.
Yes. Tapos, like, basta kung yung ganina kay, kung magkuha ka ng supplier, kana, di lang kay isa lang, pat daghan siya. Di mas daghan pag matabangan na.
Yes.
Tapos makabenefit po ka kay, kung wala doon isa ka supplier mo, pangital pa sa lang supplier mo. Tapos, na, dapat should magtapulikin ang sariling ating food. As long as, kanang quality lang ang mga, kanang, sa mga product. So, mo na to? Ano ba day? What are the significance of sponsorship?
Of course,
Money,
sa event,
dagdag.
nam dyan yung mga sponsor. So it will additional cash sa imong events, additional budget.
Para mas more on punggacious pa.
Yes.
Yeah. Maka-provide sa mga expenses nimo. Makadagdag pa for your creativity.
Yes.
Money. So,
That's all.
that's all. Thank
Thank
you,
you, sir.
sir. Bye.